What do you see here? Do you see something dirty or something more innocent? Photos that prove you have a dirty mind. It's amazing how much power the cropping tool has over us. It can change the perspective and message of an image in an instant. So with this photo, you see a photo of what looks like female genitalia. But when you zoom out, you'll see it's simply the picture of an armpit. These two girls seem to be very close, but before you get out your cell phone camera in the bar, look again and you'll see that the brunette's legs are in the forefront and she's resting her hand under her knee. This picture is probably making you do a double take, and you should consider the color of your seat on your next bike purchase. So you're not necessarily seeing a transvestite riding a bike with her business hanging out, you're seeing a girl ride her bike just down the street. It looks like a cropped photo of a woman's chest area with lots of cleavage, but book nerds will rejoice in knowing that this is just an open book with its pages lifted. What do you see here? If you think you're seeing an ample chest of a woman wearing a black top, then you might want to take a closer look. It's actually a folded piece of paper on a hook. This photo looks like it's a screenshot from a really gross adult film, but it's actually two adult pigs eating with a baby pig in between them. If you think we need to have a mature rating for this video because of this image, you may want to tilt your head to the side. It's a side profile of someone with their eyes closed, and their hair is eyelashes. What's hilarious about this photo is that it's the cover of a prayer book that you'd find in a church or Christian bookstore. The silhouette of the man is supposed to depict intense prayer, but it looks more like the man is pleasuring himself and thanking God for the experience. It's one thing to pose for a picture with your friends, but it's completely different level when you and your friend have the same skin tone and her arm makes you look naked. What did you see first, the arm or a seemingly naked female body? This beautiful photo also looks like it should be on an adult website, but if you look closer, you'll see the model in the picture simply kneeling down and not letting her girls out to relax. Well, perverts, we hope you enjoyed this video and you found something that maybe was a little more innocent than you thought. Here's some other videos we think you might like, and don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thanks!